What is the Earned Income Tax Credit on Credit Karma Tax? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, open up any web browser and head over to creditkarma.com. Then you want to click on the login option. On this login portal, enter your email ID. Then enter your password. After that, click on the login option. The Earned Income Tax Credit or EITC is based on several factors including earned income, filing status, and number of qualifying children, if any. Credit Karma Tax will use this information to determine if you qualify for the EITC and calculate the credit amount accordingly. If you are eligible, the credit will be applied to your tax return, potentially resulting in a refund or reducing the amount of tax you owe. The Earned Income Tax Credit helps low to moderate income workers and families get a tax break. If you qualify, you can use the credit to reduce the taxes you owe and maybe increase your refund. You may claim the EITC if your income is low to moderate. The amount of credit may change if you have children, dependents, are disabled, or meet other criteria. It is important to accurately report your income and qualifying dependents to ensure that you receive the maximum EITC for which you qualify. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.